Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our Yoga Sutra journey with Mahati Wellness. In the last episode on Sutra 2.1, we began the chapter 2 Sadhana Pada with Kriya Yoga, the practical path of discipline, self-study and surrender. It prepares us. But prepares us for what? Today's Sutra 2.2 answers that. It tells us why Kriya Yoga is essential and what it begins to transform within us. The sutra is Samadhi Bhavanartha Klesh Tanu Karanarthascha. The meaning is Kriya Yoga is practiced for the purpose of cultivating deep meditative states of Samadhi and also for weakening the root causes of suffering, those are kleshas. Word by word meaning of the sutra is, first word is samadhi, that is deep absorption or unified state of awareness. The next word is bhavana, means cultivating or contemplation. Artha is for the purpose of. Next word is klesha, the afflictions that disturb the mind. The next word is tanukaran, that is thinning or weakening or diminishing. The next word again is artha, that is purpose. The last word is cha, means also. Maharishi Patanjali states the double purpose of Kriya Yoga here. First, to make the mind fit for samadhi, not by force, but by gradual purification of inner tendencies. Second, to reduce the kleshas, the psychological roots of sufferings, ignorance of true identity, ego identification, attachment, aversion, fear and insecurities. These kleshas act like a fog on a mirror. They do not change the mirror, but they conceal its clarity. Kriya Yoga is the discipline that wipes the mirror clean. Not all at once, not dramatically, but consistently, subtly, steadily. This Sutra 2.2 gives the psychology of transformation. We do not achieve samadhi. We become the kind of mind in which samadhi is possible. Transformation is not addition, it is subtraction, removing that which interferes. Just as the sun doesn't need to be created, the clouds simply have to move. Samadhi doesn't have to be manufactured, the kleshas have to be weakened. So, the spiritual journey is not about perfection, it is about progressive reduction of distortion. Let us do one practical reflection here. This week, ask yourself, where do I feel inner resistance or friction? Which reaction repeats even when I don't want it to? Is this rooted in attachment or aversion or fear or ego? And can I reduce it by 1% today? Kleshas may not disappear instantly, but their intensity decreases, like volume being turned down in slow and steady degrees. A quieter mind is not a different mind. It is the same mind, less burdened. Sutra 2.2 tells us that Kriya Yoga is both the path and the preparation. It invites samadhi by making us ready, and it dissolves sufferings by making us lighter. Discipline, inquiry, and surrender are not efforts, they are antidotes to the roots of pain. In the next sutras 2.3 onwards, we will understand the kleshas themselves, their anatomy, their origin, and how to respond to them. Thank you for your practice, and we will meet in the next episode with Sutra 2.3. Namaste.